Hey, this is JT with RMUS, the RMUS team here. Happy New Year, happy 2026. We're excited, we've made a lot of improvements in the ARMUS. So Ryan Laney, our least experienced pilot in our sales team, is flying the drone. Don't drop that. So what I want to show you is some of the improvements we've made in the last little bit here. So as you can see, this is the prior prototype that we had, and this is our now production version. So you can see the prop guards are not only lighter weight, they're a lot stronger. We've made the system here that there's a cooling fan inside of it, obviously lights that can turn on and off on the top and on the bottom, removable battery here. And then we also have a port on top that will have different accessories that can plug into that. So looking forward to 2026 with everybody. If you're interested in getting involved in the ARMUS Early Adopter Program, please let us know. Let's show the remote real quick. This is what we're very proud of. What we have on this that you can't see is the ability to run object detection models with an AI processor on that. But we also have a nice large screen here. We've taken a lot of feedback from our customers to have something that's very easy to operate, as well as house the RMUS GO-TO AI technology that powers the object detection on this and this drone and others to come later this year.